Pag sinabi niyang zone ng project, naka-budget po yan. So all these areas that were within the Luzon Urban Beltway, lahat po niyan mga small arteries, capillaries, secondary roads po sa atin yan, saka farm to market road, that they lead to the main artery, and that is the SLEX, NLEX, connecting it to the STAR or the Southern Tagalog Artillery Road up to Santo Tomas hanggang doon po sa Port of Batangas, which we have already inaugurated. Ito pong SLEX na to, nung in-appoint po ako ng Pangulo, ang slippage po niya siguro nakabot ng mga 35%. Ngayon, tapos na po yung portion ng Alabang Viaduct at matatapos yung PR2, 3 hanggang Southern Tagalog Artillery Road. So, ibig sabihin, bakit all roads, sabi nga, leads to Clark and Subic and Tarlac, because we have an airport, a seaport, and a land port sa Tarlac. Kasi dito po ang main logistics center ng Luzon. If you have Calabarzon that produces the goods, generally, and you have NCR na kasama po sa aking trabaho as LUB head, that consume or that market the goods, Subic Clark distribute the goods domestically and offshore. So, ganun po ang kahalagaan ng area natin. That's why with the backbone of Subic Clark and Tarlac, which is the Subic Clark Tarlac Exchange, Subic Clark Tarlac Expressway, we will be able to see a fast delivery of goods and services. Yan po yung magiging daluyan ng goods ng mga pasahero. And with the SETEX, what they call this, the North Rail, no, pinipilit po ng Pangulo na tapusin po. No? Kasi isinama na yung North Rail sa SCADC. Kasama na yan sa bagong executive order. It is now a member, together with SIAC, dito sa Subic Clark Alliance for Development Council. So, bali ilan na tayo linda ngayon sa SCADC? We were 5. So, with all these arteries, these capillaries, these small roads, the big roads, secondary roads, provincial roads, regional roads, dito po patutungo, I suppose, by this time, we should be ready to study, replan again, at the land use ng mga kanya-kanyang lugar po natin. If you had the chance to travel or traverse the entire length and breadth of the Subic Clark Tarlac Expressway, you'll be astounded. You'll be surprised kung gaano. Hindi lang po kaganda. Makikita mo the potentials of the development of the area, left and right of the STEX. Kaya, laki po ng potentials natin. Kaya sabi ko, sayang naman, if you are not going to replan the land use ng mga area kung saan po tayo. That's why this is really a very significant forum that we will be attending and participating. Utang po natin ito, may utang po tayo sa mga generations to come. Kaya kailangan po, let us prepare for the future. As you have seen, the list, sabi nga ng Credit Suisse, tsaka Standard & Poor, na bansa, dalawa lang ang binanggit, na stable at kailangan dito nyo ilagay ang inyong pera, ang Pilipinas po. To the consternation of the opposition, of course. Ayaw po tanggapin ang opposition na talagang we are fundamentally sound and strong. Kaya, I would like to thank you for giving your time to come over and participate in this great endeavor of preparing our towns, our provinces for the future. Parang ano, and you will be representing together with Angeles naman, no? And by the way, what they call this interchange ng Angeles, the second interchange will be open February 23. But we are requesting that they open it on February 14. Because February 23 is that Sunday of my life. Because it's my 60th birthday already. Parang I'm older. I'm a senior. Dalawang citizenship na eh. Senior citizen. So, I think that can really inspire economic activity dito sa area natin. And of course, Dinulupiang Bataan meron na. And Congresswoman Magsaysay is proposing to open another area there. No? And Ibdani naman is starting to put up another road dito sa Sampalas, but that will connect us to the SCTEX. In the same manner that the Dingalan Port, tapos na po yan, it will pass through Palayan, Nueva at magkukonect po rito sa SCTEX extension papuntang Herona. The Herona 18 kilometers extension will start this year and will be finished this year. So, yung lahat ng mahilig pumunta sa Baguio, sa mga beaches dyan, we will be bypassing MacArthur. And the next president will surely have to continue yung umpisa na ho natin. So, we will be linking the South China Sea to the Pacific Ocean for the first time. Meron mo tayong nakakita. Yan, South. Kasama po si Angara at saka si Ma'am when we helicopter to that Dingalan Port.
Rona, no na maglingtang Rona. No na maglingtang Rona nga man.
We have about 14 airports na ginawa ng Pangulo and 14 RORO. Napakarami po niyan. And pinaghandaan na po niyan. Dahil sinabi niya, kung ang dati niya noon, si Tatang Dato, walang pangalawang hapay. Diba? Sabi sa mga kapampangan, ako rin kumakil ang ini. In first step, bibita niya rin kumarepan. Kaya tamo ko pala yan. Yung second term, ibibigay ko sa mga kapampangan, natalo ko. Ito na yung second na pag. No? Maraming salamat po sa pagtalo ninyo at matagumpay po. Inaasahan ko magiging matagumpay at makasaysayan ang inyong pag-usapan at mabuhay po kayo na. Thank you very much.